Okay, good day, Internet. I just drove down here to Santa Monica, and they actually have this weird ambassador dude who just hands out this stuff to tourists. And pretty interesting. But anyway, I'm at this French place right on the promenade. The food actually looks pretty good. The ambassador dude recommended it to me, and I'm gonna try it out. I was hoping to get a burger or something, but this looks pretty good. I'll try it out. They actually, I ordered this chicken sandwich of some kind. Damn, that sunlight off my balding head does not look very good. Alright. So, what we have here is a totally brilliant chicken sandwich. Amazing. I'm not a fan of dried tomatoes, but these are pretty damn good. Okay, so this is the place. Awesome French food. Pretty damn good, and I'd say some of the best I've had in a long time. I'm not a fan of, like I said, I'm not a fan of the dried tomatoes, or I'm actually not a fan of really hard bread either, but they made it pretty good. I mean, it was alright. The sauce, I'm not sure what they put in it, but there was some green stuff with a heavy taste of garlic. I actually pretty liked it a whole lot. So, definitely check it out. Man. So much nicer to have a proper camera instead of the Mocha cam, which I had here last time, which was quite terrible if I remember correctly. I mean, it was not very sharp at all, and the stabilization was outright terrible. Now this Sony RX100 Mark III, I love it. It's just brilliant. There's just something amazing about this Apple Store and that ceiling. I mean, I know it's all glass, but jeez, it's just, there's something extra that lures me in every time. So, let's see what they got in here.
These words are from the Bible. All have sinned, and after death will face the judgment of God. We cannot enter heaven with sin, yet God still loves us. He sent His Son, Jesus Christ, from heaven to be our Savior.
Oh boy. I don't like to get into the religious debates, but I do actually have a few videos on it. I find religion quite pointless, and it's invented by like people who didn't understand the world as they are back in those old days. And now that we actually do begin to understand things, people are just afraid of letting it go because it's what they grew up with, and it's passed down generation to generation with the fear of hell and the reward of heaven.
Of all the men in the Bible, Abraham, Isaac, Jacob, Moses, John the Baptist, Jesus warned about hell.
They're freaking everywhere. I smell weed. It's environments like this that I feel most connected to community and so on. Because for those who don't know, I'm a really serious introvert. I keep to myself a lot. And when I'm amongst huge crowds, when I, out of my comfort zone, it's kind of liberating actually. Okay, so So, I'm walking along the side of the beach here, and I'm actually not familiar with this location. It's pretty neat. I'm assuming I can walk all the way down to Venice from here, which is neat. So I guess that's exactly what I'm going to be doing right now. I could use the exercise. I unfortunately forgot my sunscreen, so I might be a little burnt up by the end of the day. And just look at this. Alright, so I'm in Venice now, and it's a bit cramped in Santa Monica, but it's still pretty beautiful, and stuff here ain't cheap. I just bought a bottle of water for $2, and I also got, I'll show you that later.
There's Wee Matt. There's the smallest man in America. If you look way up top, you're gonna see the sword swallow.
Oh geez. No wonder I smell weed everywhere. There's places like this everywhere. Alright, so far that's about 4 or 5 miles of non-stop walking, and my feet are killing me. These shoes are totally not comfortable. Okay, back in Santa Monica. Just got myself some stuff to eat, and sun's about to set. Alright folks, after eating and after walking around promenade a little more, probably about 6 or 7 miles total of walking today, I think it's time to call it quits and head home. I haven't had that much sun in a long time. I hope I don't get sunburned. I doubt I got it because I don't feel or look the part of getting any severe burns. I really could have used a little more human interaction, but I'll show you what I bought once I get home. Well, that up there is the new station they built right here for the extension line for mass transit. I'm never going to use it, but it looks quite promising, especially if this city is trying to get the Olympics. Oh boy, here we go again with the nightmare traffic. Yep, there it is. The 405 North. First up, this one actually cost quite a bit because it was a custom design and it was made on the spot. Pretty high quality fabric too. Yeah, I know, it's kind of cheesy, but I think it's funny. Also, got this this shirt, pretty decent. This here is rayon fabric. For those of you who don't know, rayon is like one of the lightest and most breathable fabrics out there. It is the same shit I'm wearing now. It is amazingly great for hot climates such as LA. I might have to go out there more often, but money is in short supply. So, and I just bought a plane ticket back to Philly, so I can attend a wedding in October. So, budgeting is going to be pretty rough. Hopefully, I'll make it up in December with all the work hours. But here in LA, it's not as intense as in Pennsylvania. With the extra hours, instead of getting 60 hours, I'm probably going to get 45 or so. It's still good money, but hoping for a little more. Well, with all that said, I think it's time to say goodbye for today. I'm quite tired. I need a shower. I need some rest. I need to edit this video. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Take care.